Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I'm Brooklyn08 and I collect Pandora, troll beads, and a few ohm beads. This video features Troll Agates, the Trollbeads Day Beads for 2022. There's a lot of variation in these glass beads, so I will present the beads I own and show a few ideas I have for bracelet designs. Before I begin, here's my Troll Beads bracelet of the day. At the center is the Summer Flowers bead, which is from the Summer Nature Kit. And on either side of the bead are silver Vision of Light beads. Then there are two Summer Bushes beads, also from the Summer Nature Kit, and two beige blue silver trace beads. They definitely have a nice summer vibe. Okay, let's take a look at the Troll Agates. As I've already mentioned, there's a lot of variation in these beads. I chose beads in the light green, mauve, and purple range. They also come in a deeper plum color, dusty blue, gold, and beige. Some have a mix of colors, and some are more solid. The one at the center here is more solid in color than the two on either side. They have two colors. The glitter is fabulous, and the faceting catches the light beautifully. On the side, you'll see there is a more opaque, speckled pattern. Just gorgeous. To see other Troll Agates, check out the 3 Ali chose at Pandorably Charmed. So I immediately thought about the beads in my collection that would pair perfectly with these Troll Agates. I have 5 combinations, and I will set up the designs on my charm bar to save a little time. The first design uses my Trollstones. I thought the color in the Trollstones really complemented the agates. So I am setting them up also with the Lotus top bead. And here's design, oops, I forgot a Trollstone. Here's the first design. I love the way that looks. The Trollstones are not identical, but they are similar, and similar in color. The next design I thought about uses the Fireflies bead, and this is that bead. Let me set up the rest of the design. And what I like about this is that the colors in the wings of the firefly complement the colors in the Troll Agates. My third design features the chakra bead called Third Eye. So let me just set that up. Here's the second chakra bead, and the third agate. And here that deep burgundy-ish, purplish color of the third eye bead really stands out against the colors of the Troll Agates. I love that combination. Next is the Beige Moonstone. And I love that the bumps on the Beige Moonstone complement the colors of these agates. So let me continue setting that up. And here this is. Fabulous, fabulous. Because the beige base of the Beige Moonstone also complements the light green of the agates. And the final design uses the Prehnite Peacock bead, as well as the on top bead. This is the silver on top bead, which fits nicely against the Prehnite Peacock bead. And at the center, I'll have another agate, another on top bead, another Prehnite Peacock, and the agate. And that's the last design. These troll agates really are beautiful. Troll Beads did a great job with them. And that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, everybody. Bye.